How do you make your home more sellable? Conventional wisdom says it's the price. But today we're actually going to talk about something that's more compelling than price. Hi, this is Dennis Isip from Haven Real Estate. One of the things that I remind my sellers is that purchasing decisions are actually emotional. They're not logical. When a buyer is considering the purchase of a home, they are actually using their feelings and their desires and the lifestyle benefits that they're going to get from a particular property. So to make a property more sellable, I use the 3 C's: condition, clutter, and cleanliness. Condition is about the state of the house, whether it's livable or not. And we're talking about the roof, the plumbing, the electrical, the heating and cooling, things that will make the house livable. When a buyer is looking at a house, what they're really thinking is, okay, am I going to have to fix these certain items? And if so, can I do it myself, or do I have to ask someone in order to fix it and therefore pay for that? So that is the concern that they have about the house. What I would recommend to my sellers is 2 things. Number 1 is to do a pre-inspection report and provide that report to potential buyers. That will alleviate some of their concerns about the state of the different mechanical systems in the house. The other document that I recommend is to provide a home warranty. And a home warranty is just like insurance, and if something breaks down, the company, the home warranty company, will take care of getting it fixed. It is not covered by normal home insurance. So decluttering is not merely putting away things and putting them in the closet, in the drawers, and the cabinets. This is a good time to think about actually getting rid of stuff that you don't really need, minimizing or simplifying your lifestyle. So when a buyer comes into a home and they look at all over, let's say the living room or the kitchen, they're trying to visualize what it would be like to be cooking and entertaining guests, as an example. But if there's a lot of clutter on the kitchen counters, then it distracts them from imagining what they would be doing. By simplifying and decluttering, it is actually a powerful subliminal attraction to your home. Something that doesn't cost you any money at all and will significantly increase the appeal of your home. The next C is cleanliness. When a buyer walks in and they could smell fresh and clean environment, as an example, it sends a message to them that the homeowners have been taking care of the place, and therefore they would be more at ease into buying into the home. So there you have it, the 3 C's: condition, clutter, and cleanliness. 3 different items that cost very little, if none at all, that will increase the saleability of your home. So this is Dennis Isip, and I will see you in our next video.